Martin's here, and today we'll be looking at how to add rolling end credits in Adobe Premiere Pro 2025. This method is the easiest and most efficient way to achieve this in just seconds. Let's get into it.
Now, to do this, you need to create a text layer, and you can do this by selecting the text tool here or the type tool here and just clicking on your timeline. Now, you can start typing in your credit according to how you want it and just position it the way you want it to be. I would suggest you already type in your credits in a notepad or something to make everything easier and faster. I already have mine typed in, so I'll just paste it. Select the text layer you just created, then open the properties panel. If you are using anything below Premiere 25.0, then you will need to find the Essential Graphics panel instead. If you can't find it, also you can go to Windows and just search for either the Essential Graphics or the Properties panel. Mine is here and is checked. So after opening up the Properties panel, you need to scroll down to the Responsive Design Time section, and here is mine. Check the roll box to enable scrolling. As you can see, the credits automatically disappeared from the screen. By default, start off screen and end off screen are selected. You can adjust the roll speed and timing if you want. The speed of the roll depends on the duration of the text layer on the timeline. A shorter duration equals faster roll time, and a longer duration equals slower roll. For smoother motion, ease in and ease out is here. You can set the value to around 3 to 5 to create a gradual acceleration and deceleration. You can also set a pre-roll, for example 3 seconds, to delay the start of the roll, or a post-roll to hold the last frame on the screen. Press the spacebar on the timeline and preview the rolling credits in the program monitor. Check that the text scrolls smoothly, is readable, and fits within the frame. Adjust font size, spacing, or layer duration if needed. These are extra tips for professionals. You should always use clean, legible fonts. For example, Helvetica, Arial, or cinematic fonts like Beber's Neue. White text on a black background is a classic choice. Aim for a duration that allows viewers to read comfortably. For example, 5 to 7 seconds per screen of text.
Here are some tips to note. Use sparingly. Over-sharpening can make videos look unnatural or highlight noise, especially in low-quality footage. Resolution matters. Sharpening works best on high-resolution footage, for example, 1080 or 4K resolution. Low-resolution clips will show more artifacts. Another important tip is real-time feedback. Ensure your program monitor is set to full resolution, not 1/2 or 1/4. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more video editing tips.